The question is here, how do I gonna start my own business? What should I choose? From where I should start, and what steps I should take to have my own business with myself? Today we're gonna cover the 10 tips which will support you to start your own business. Be with us till the end of the video. This is Milad Akbari from Akbari Education. Welcome to our channel. As I told you, we're gonna cover the 10 tips which will support you to start your own dream business. So it needs some preparation, it needs some work. Be with us. What we're gonna cover. The first one, find your passion. Do your passion. You know, if I like technology, if I like doing drawing, that's something I love, and if I work on that, I will be happy. I love what I do, and I can continue, and I can struggle. I can work 80 to 100 hours per week. That's what I love. If your passion is working with the technology, working with the computer, with the new modern technology, that's it. Go for it. Work on it. That's the field you can be an entrepreneur on that. That's the field you're gonna work on that. Number 2, find a business idea in that section. Find a very unique business idea. My work is with technology. So what can I do? What can I do as an entrepreneur in the field of technology? Can I bring a new technology? Can I develop something? Is there any gap that I can solve that? Or is there any problem in my society and whatsoever the technology improved? Work on that. That's the area you can work. So for finding a business idea, a unique business idea, you're gonna do what? Find a gap. Is there any gap still not filled? Go for it. By filling the gap, by improving a product, then you're gonna have your great business idea in hand. Number 3, okay, now my passion is working with the technology and I have a very unique business idea, but this is my business idea. This is what I thought. Is it real? Or the customer would like that? Will they respect my idea? They gonna pay for that? You need to do some research. Is it feasible even? Is there any market available for that? And more than that, are the skills available that gonna support you, or you gonna do it alone? Some research is required. Worldwide or even within your local area you're gonna do, you need to do some research for that. After that, you will find out about the feasibility of doing that work, that business idea, and implementing that business idea. The 4th one, build your own business plan. I did my research. Now I have some figures, some qualitative data I know about, people feedback about my product. I need to forecast. What's my forecast? How much I need as a cash in my business? What resources I need? Create your business plan. This is my first step. This much time it will take, and this is my second step. This is my third step. How much resources I need for that? You need to create a very realistic business plan for that. That's plan. You can adjust it during the way, but at least you need to have a pathway where I should go. This is my map. This is my goal. I want to achieve that. Work on that. Business plan is very much important. It will bring all your focus together, and it will show you the direction, and it will even will show you where is your destination and how and which resources will help you to reach that area. 5th one, everything is in my basket now. Do I have cash? I need some cash reserve. Now my plan created after 1 year, 2 year research and everything I did, preparation of the business plan and everything I have, and it's in my hand. I need some cash after that. During this period is the period I need to find out my cash reserve. I need to collect, I need to have some saving, or is there any alternative way to fund me? Some initial investment is required. That cash need to be in the business to run the business. For that, create your plan, save or find another source, or find someone who invests. Or even if you're young, talk with your mom and dad. Are they having some saving to pay you to run your business? That's important. Number 6, you know a difference between older and a young entrepreneur is there. They have some connection, but a young one is with a weaker connection, relationship and network. So for the initial stage, when your business plan is prepared and it will take about 2 years to start or launch your product or service to the market, the better option is here with parallel to the saving you will have. Let's start in making your audience. Let's make some relationship. It's easy, but it needs to be strategic. Where you gonna start? With launching a Facebook page, with having your LinkedIn page, or even starting a YouTube channel. By what method you gonna have your own audience? That audience are those who gonna trust you. They heard about you. You were with them about a year or 2 years. Then when you launch a product, they will trust you, they're gonna purchase that, they're gonna use that service. That's why having the network, having some audience is important. Even not as a customer, you remember the supplier as well. There is a supplier who have heard you for about 2 years. Now he gonna support you by providing some basic products, some raw material for you. Even those who are working in different areas, who gonna support you by the marketing, who gonna support you by training your staff, by helping you on hiring and whatsoever development of the system, financial system, or lots of areas. So your network and audience is very much important. Number 7, am I able to do all the work by myself, or I do need someone to support me? Suppose for the first one, I don't know how to market my product. Do I need someone to be as a part-time employee with me to market my product, do the marketing section of all the business? Or do I need someone to be as a full-time employee to do the financial section, to do the reporting and recording and everything about the bookkeeping? Or do I need someone as someone who can invest in my business? I don't have that much cash. I need some partner. Build your team. Your team is important. The game of employment is not something to be like a start and go ahead. It needs a team. It needs as a football team. It's a puzzle. You need to put the sections together to go ahead. And after putting everything together as a football team, then you can play. You can play and go and reach to your goal. That's very much important. So every puzzle, every team member should be in place. Who you need? Build your team members. I saw a guy who was very unique with working with the financials. He is good with reporting, recording and everything. I saw a company who was consultant and they're gonna work with me for suppose taxation. So I should talk with them. I should at least keep my connection with them till the period I'm launching my service and product to the market. That's important. Number 8, entering to the market without professional appearance is not good. make your startup professional. How you gonna do? I need to have a very unique Facebook page. I need to have a very nice website. That's my way of interaction with the customer. When they come inside my website, they will understand, wow, what a professional product, what a professional website, how they gonna act professionally. They will decide about my visualization, what I gonna visual for them, what I gonna show them in my website. That they are all important. The product package, the business card I'm using, the pen, even with my logo and my name, the notebook and book and some catalogs, everything is important. You need to create them very much professional. It will show a very nice picture of your company to the customer. The customer now need to see. First of all is by seeing your product. The package is good, looking to your company, your room, your meeting room, or the appearance. If you have a shop, looking to your shop, to your website, whatsoever. If they look, that's amazing. They will be attracted to that. After that, they will start trying your product or your service. If your product quality is good, service is good, they will be a loyal customer with your company. Number 9, where I should start my company. I'm now located in this country. Should I go ahead in this country, or I should shift to another country? But wheresoever I gonna start, there will be some rules and regulations in place. How I should pay for taxes, how I should register, what are the next steps now I am as an individual sole trader. If I grow and have some partner, how do I change it to partnership? What are the limitations there? If I grow and I gonna start to be as a corporation, how do I register my shares and these things? You need to consider these points. For starting the new business, what are the requirements? You remember, I said my passion is with technology. But of course, in most of the countries, there are certain licenses and legal requirements for technology section. What are those? I need to find out that. I need to take the preparation for that. Everything is now in the basket. I have my cash, my team is ready, I have my business plan, I did my research, and everything is now there. But when I entered to the business, one thing happened. That's not allowed by law. It will take 6 months to start and having your license on your pocket. You need to take preparation for that. That's important, that everything should go parallel, and at the point you decided to launch your product to the market, you need to have everything parallel. You need to know about the license, you need to know about the requirements and legal and everything. Then you're gonna start very successfully and without any interruption by the rules and regulation of that country. Number 10, most of the business will go out of the market is by don't having some cash in hand. Business will take time. It needs some patience. If you want to be successful, you need to be in the business. You need to have some struggles. And for that, being in the business and doing and having the team around you and working and initiating the work and keep continuing, you need some cash. At least those cash up to that point that you reach the break-even point, the point where your revenue and expense will be equal. Up to reaching that point, you need some cash. Whether you're gonna receive some loan, or you're gonna save too much cash that support you on this process, or the third way is have a job with that, have another source of income with that, have some investment that will gonna support you. These things are important. It will support you to run your business, even if it take 1 year, 2 years. It's gonna pay for that. and that payment is important. That's a backup for running the business. So keep another source of income with yourself till the point that you reach the break-even point and become profitable. Then you're gonna leave that, you're gonna put it aside and fully dedicatedly work on your own business. These are the 10 steps and tips which you can take all together or step by step, and you can have or launch your own business uniquely to the market. These are important. Have them in your basket. Think of that. Very easily have a paper and have a pen. Think each point, how much time you need for that, and plan for everything. Which one of these team members are not there? You need someone who defend. Find that one. Put all together. After that, you're gonna launch your own business. Thank you for being with us. I recommend subscribe to our channel, press the notification button to receive the notification for the new videos, and share with your friends. That will help us all together to grow. Thank you.